Emma, it's such a beautiful day. Let's take a walk in the park. That's a great idea, Tom. Let's go. Emma, let's get some ice cream. Great idea. Which flavor do you want?
Hello, what would you like?
What would you like? 1 chocolate ice cream, please. And 1 strawberry ice cream, please.
Here you are. 2 ice creams.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $8, please.
Where's my wallet? What happened, Tom? I can't find it. Don't worry, Tom. We'll find it. I had it a few minutes ago. Let's retrace our steps. Good idea. I remember sitting on that bench. Let's check there first. I don't see your wallet.
Neither do I.
I don't see your wallet.
Neither do I.
Let's ask someone nearby. Maybe they saw it. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a black wallet?
Sorry, I haven't seen one.
Thanks anyway.
Where else could it be?
Think carefully. I took some photos near the fountain. Let's check there. Let's look around the fountain. I hope it's here.
Excuse me, are you looking for a wallet?
Yes! Have you seen it?
I saw a man pick up a black wallet.
Huh? Really? Which way did he go?
Let's go! I hope he still has my wallet. Let's go! Tom, is that him? I think so. Tom, is that him? I think so. Excuse me, sir.
Yes? Can I help you?
Is that black wallet yours?
No, I found it near the fountain. Is this your wallet?
Yes, that's my wallet.
Is this your wallet?
Yes, that's my wallet.
I found it near the fountain.
Thank you for keeping it safe. Check everything inside. Good idea. My money and cards are all here. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for your honesty.
You're welcome. I'm happy I could help.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go back and pay for our ice cream. You're right. We still need to pay.
I'm glad you found your wallet.
Thank you for waiting. Here's $8.
Thank you. Enjoy your ice cream.
Today was quite an adventure. It sure was. From now on, I'll always check my pocket before I leave. That's a smart idea. Tom, today we used many useful English sentences. Let's review them together. Let's review today's English. Phrase 1. Excuse me.
We use it to speak politely.
Phrase 2. Have you seen my wallet? We ask this when something is missing. Phrase 3. Thank you so much.
It's a polite way to thank someone.
Now it's your turn. Get ready for a quick quiz. Question 1. What did I lose? The correct answer is
B. Wallet.
Question 2. What did I say to the man?
The correct answer is B.
B. Excuse me, sir. Final question.
Did I find my wallet?